Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 1 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The Titanic sailed blank the Atlantic Ocean. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, in, for large bodies of water like oceans. Many passengers were excited to be blank board. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, on, for being inside a ship, train, or plane. People gathered blank the deck to wave goodbye. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, at, for a specific point or place. Rose wanted to run away blank Jack. A. From. B. To. C. With. Correct answer, to, show movement towards a person. Jack came blank a poor background. A. To. B. From. C. In. Correct answer, from, show origin or starting point. Like, comment and subscribe.